In this video, we're going to go over setting up a render. So I have the floor plan open. Right now I have the first floor plan. If you click up here to the 3D view under the View tab and go to Camera, we want to set up a camera. So I'm just going to set up this angle right here. You want to make sure you click somewhere out in the white space and then somewhere on the other side of the building so that the camera gets the extents through the building. So now that I have this view set up, I can actually just preview it in realistic right now to see what it'll look like. This is obviously an early development of this student's project, but now that you have that set up, you can go to View, Render in Cloud. I usually select Medium for initial renderings and then Final Quality. And then once you click Render, it'll upload into the cloud. Here's a render I did earlier. And so that's what kind of turned out from that. Obviously, once you put materials and stuff to all this, it'll look a little bit differently.